What's up guys, Peter here from Reviews on Anything, and today we're having a look at a headphone accessory, or a desk accessory, depending on how you look at it. This is the DYNAVOX Headphone Stand, more specifically the KH225 model. The box is quite nice, as you can see. There's not that much information on it, because it's a headphone stand, so it's not, you don't need to write a book about it. But I think the box is kind of nice for, a simple product like this, and a relatively inexpensive product as well. So I wanted to show you that, because we've looked at products before, much more expensive than this, with a pretty terrible box in general. There's not much to see inside the box though. You get the headphone stand, and that's really it. There's no paperwork involved, there's no warranty involved, there's no manual involved. This is it. There's nothing to see. This is the black acrylic version, which is pretty much a piece of plastic that carries your headphone, and that's it. You can see it's nice and flexible, so you don't have to bend your headphones out of shape or anything. And if you put it on your desk like this, that is how it will look. There's a little logo here on the side, nothing on the other side, and that's about it. As you can see maybe already, because it's so shiny, it does attract fingerprints a little bit, especially on the bright camera light, but small detail. The bottom though is not so much of a small detail. This is razor sharp. Obviously acrylic, hard plastic, when you make it into a shape, obviously you end up with some sharp edges, but this is actually so sharp that you can actually hurt yourself on it, which is not really what you want. And I found that putting this on your desk, maybe moving it around a few times, it actually makes scratches on your desk. So I think they could have done a slightly better job by putting, some rubber underneath, or making the finish a bit rounder. Now obviously I have to show you how it works, so let's get a pair of headphones. These are my Audio-Technica M50X headphones that I use most of the time. And it really couldn't be simpler. You just pop it on like so. There you go. That's it. Nothing to see, nothing to do. There's no Bluetooth, wireless, charging, Wi-Fi signal or speakers involved here. This is just a headphone stand when you want to have your headphones out of the way and standing around proud, ready for action. So that's all there is to see. Nothing much going on here. It stands up and your headphone stands like so. The downside is because it's sort of clamped onto this mount, when you want to get it off, and especially because the acrylic is so light, you'll have to use two hands. You actually have to physically separate them like so. Which obviously, as you can tell, the cups go around here, the sharp part, so you might actually end up damaging your headphones that way if you're not careful, which is not very nice. There's obviously other solutions where you hang your headphones like so. That might be a bit more functional if you ask me, than this, which is also an option to buy. But if you don't use your headphones that much and you just have them standing around, I suppose this is a pretty decent option. This is Peter from Reviews on Anything with a quick look at the DYNAVOX KH225 headphone stand. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers!